This is the perfect tool to have for just about any home project. So we have a lot of furniture in our house that after time it gets loose. We have like pot lids or bunk beds, different toys. And what I've done in the past is I have a toolbox. I get that out. I look for the correct tool and then I tighten it up, put my toolbox away. It's not a huge deal, but it often takes me quite a while to find the right tool. The nice thing about this is it comes in its own case and it really has just about any bit you'll ever need for assembling furniture or tightening something that's loose. A cool thing with this drill or screwdriver is you can use it as like a drill, or you can press this button here and rotate it. So now it's kind of like a screwdriver orientation. So it's really nice, gives it some versatility. The bits lock into place. It has different torque settings and it even has a drill setting. This was sent to me so I could make this video. Let's have a closer look at the bits and the other things that you get with this. So it's nice that everything does come organized in a toolbox. Nothing too fancy about this, just kind of a lightweight plastic. Here's the drill or screwdriver itself. Couple nice things about this. For one, it does charge via USB-C, so it comes with that cable. And then you can see it has different torque settings and then the drill setting, and everything locks into place. So here's a closer look at a lot of the bits. Looks like we've got quite a bit of flathead. We've got your Phillips, then we've got Torx, we've got Allen. Wow, that is a good assortment. Then over here we've got some drill bits, and then we can also attach this as well. And again, this just locks into place here. You've got turning right, turning left, and you've got a flashlight here as well. And you can see the battery indication here. You can see the grip here is fairly sensitive, and it really seems to only have one speed. So it doesn't really matter if you press hard or soft, just the single speed. And then if you need it to go the other direction, you just push that in all the way, and then it will go the other direction. If you have it in the middle, then you can just use it as a flashlight. One nice thing with the bits is it is magnetic. So you watch as I push it in, it just kind of snaps into place. So you're not going to lose any of the bits. Even the torque and the drill settings are the same speed. So the drill setting's not going to go twice as fast or anything like that. The handle on this has a nice rubber grip. You can even grip it with two hands if you need to. The things I've liked about this as I've used it is it really does have a nice rubber grip. You're not going to drop it or anything like that. I generally use it in this orientation, but it is pretty cool that you can twist it like this to use in this orientation. The other thing I really like about this is it charges via USB-C. I have another similar drill like this, but it still uses that USB micro. I can never find a cord for it, but USB-C I can charge anywhere in my house. We have chargers all over the place. It's just a perfect tool to have in the house. The case really is not that big. You can put it under your kitchen sink, in your garage, shed, wherever. The one complaint I have with this is the switch here to move it from forward to back. In the forward position, your finger is naturally here, so it's not a problem at all. But if you push this in the back position, your finger is still here on this switch. And so if you just take your finger off, you're fine. But as soon as you put your finger back on to get a good grip, you're going to hit this switch and then it goes in the middle spot and you can't do anything. They could have designed that a little bit better. But really, that's my only complaint. Really nice tool to have in the home.